Every rideshare trip begins with the same simple hope: to arrive safely at your destination. Yet sometimes an ordinary ride can take a turn that no one sees coming. In August 2025, in Chicago's West Garfield Park, a passenger booked an Uber expecting nothing more than a safe ride home. But as the car reached the intersection of South Keeler Avenue and West Gladys Avenue, the routine shattered in an instant. Tires screeched, metal crunched, and glass scattered across the pavement as chaos unfolded. Sirens pierced the night while bystanders rushed to help, and the passenger was carried into an ambulance. What started as a simple ride ended as a moment of devastation that no one could have imagined. Moments like this show why having experienced rideshare accident lawyers is crucial when tragedy strikes without warning. Accidents like this happen more often than most realize. Rideshare services like Uber and Lyft are meant to make life easier, but while traffic deaths in the US had declined to 32,885 in 2010, the rise of ride-sharing services like Uber and Lyft after 2011 contributed to an estimated 3% annual increase in auto deaths, translating to roughly 987 additional deaths per year. Many crashes involve drivers on duty, distracted by phones, navigating unfamiliar roads, or driving while fatigued. Even a single misstep can turn a normal ride into a nightmare. Knowing what to do after a crash can make a real difference in the outcome. That is where professional guidance becomes essential. From the moment victims reach out to Rosenfeld injury lawyers, every detail is handled with care. Accident scenes are documented, medical records collected, and crucial evidence such as app data, dash cam footage, and witness statements preserved. Insurance companies are navigated carefully, claims are evaluated, and paperwork is filed correctly. Having expert support allows victims to focus on recovery while maximizing their chances for fair compensation. When choosing a rideshare service, most people focus on convenience and price, rarely thinking about the potential risks. Uber and Lyft are the two leading platforms in the US. Uber, founded in 2009, operates worldwide and offers services like Uber Eats, while Lyft, launched in 2012, primarily serves the US and Canada with a strong presence in major cities. Despite their differences, both share one crucial truth: accidents involving their drivers can happen in an instant, and the consequences can be life-changing. Statistics highlight just how real these risks are. Uber's 2021 to 2022 safety report recorded 127 fatal crashes nationwide, resulting in 153 deaths. Lyft's record is equally concerning, with 97 fatal crashes between 2017 and 2018, claiming the lives of passengers, drivers, and bystanders. These numbers show how quickly a routine ride can turn into a tragedy. Having a knowledgeable rideshare accident attorney ensures victims get proper guidance when injuries are severe and need legal support to pursue justice. Distracted driving, fatigue, and the pressure to complete rides quickly are leading causes of rideshare accidents in Illinois. About 1/3 of drivers report being involved in crashes while on duty, and congestion on busy city streets only adds to the danger. For victims, a skilled Uber and Lyft rideshare accident attorney can be the difference between confusion and clarity, helping identify responsibility and guiding them through complex claims with care. Behind every statistic lies a face, a family, and a story that lingers long after the headlines fade. For Sarah Milburn, that story began on what was supposed to be an ordinary night out with friends. The ride home seemed routine, filled with laughter and the soft glow of phone screens in the back seat. But everything changed in an instant when the Uber driver ignored a red light and sped into a busy intersection. A massive truck tore into their car, twisting metal, shattering glass, and sending Sarah's world upside down. When the chaos settled, she awoke to a new reality. Paralyzed from the waist down, her life was forever altered by a moment's reckless decision. Immediate steps after a crash are critical. Seek medical attention even if injuries seem minor, report the accident to police, and ensure the driver notifies Uber or Lyft. Document the scene, note road conditions, and gather witness information. Passengers should also keep detailed records, including screenshots of the app showing trip details, driver information, and timestamps. Verifying the driver's status, collecting dashcam footage, obtaining witness statements, and maintaining medical records are crucial. Communication with the driver, rideshare company, and insurance representatives, along with proof of lost wages, can significantly impact the outcome. Organizing this evidence properly strengthens any claim. Rideshare accidents come with unique legal challenges. Liability can involve the driver, the rideshare company, or third-party drivers. Insurance coverage varies depending on whether the driver was logged into the app, en route to pick up a passenger, or waiting for a ride request. Illinois law sets minimum coverage standards while limiting certain liabilities, which is why an experienced rideshare accident attorney is essential. Victims deserve more than bills and broken promises. They deserve justice. With a trusted team of rideshare accident lawyers by your side, you can focus on your recovery while we protect your future. Do not wait. If you or someone you love has been injured in a rideshare accident, contact Rosenfeld Injury Lawyers today for a free and confidential consultation and start the path toward the justice and compensation you deserve.